how to check storage on MacBook. For that, at the top left corner, click on Mac icon and then click on About this Mac. Click on More Info and here scroll of it down till you find the storage section. Here you can see 149.23 GB is available of the 245.11 GB. In my case, you can click on storage settings and find all the details about applications, documents, mail, bin that are using your storage. Your Mac OS itself occupies 20.76 GB and system data it is 27.1 GB in my case, which I can do nothing. Another way to check it is go to Finder and select desktop and from view find show status bar and here you can see 148.9 GB is available. It is the total space available in my entire Mac. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mac 369 and hit a like.